This is Embracing Digital This Week with Dr. Darren and Paige Pulsifer.
This week's top stories.
Hey Paige, have you heard about the manufacturing trends shaping up for 2025? I mean, we're talking advanced robotics and the Internet of Things really stepping up their game.
Oh, absolutely. It's like manufacturing is going to the gym and getting jacked. Adding AI-driven data analytics, that's like giving it a superpower boost.
Right? It's all about streamlining operations and making smarter decisions. But what's really cool is how businesses are prioritizing sustainability now. Like they're finally realizing we can't just take.
Exactly. They're looking to create resilient, adaptive environments. You know, the type where you can quickly pivot to meet changing market demands, like a manufacturing ninja.
And let's not forget augmented reality. That's a game changer for training and maintenance by 2025. Imagine workers getting real-time guidance. It's like having a personal coach without the whistle and annoying yelling.
I love that. AR could literally visualize complex systems for them. No more guessing games or accidental oops moments.
A recent study highlights the power of AI analytics for manufacturers. They're diving deep into production processes and quality control.
And responding faster to customer needs. It's like they're finally catching up with what the rest of us have been doing in our day-to-day lives.
Absolutely. A promising outlook for the industry. If they continue at this pace, we might just see manufacturing systems that run smoother than our family group chats.
Yikes! That might be pushing it, Darren, but who doesn't love the idea of an efficient factory? Sounds like they're really aiming for the stars.
With all of these advances, we cannot forget cybersecurity. There's been quite a surge in cyber attacks targeting the manufacturing sector.
Surge is an understatement. It's like they've declared war on factories.
Exactly, and while these attacks are ramping up, you won't believe this. Security preparedness is lagging behind.
Wait, so they're being attacked, and yet they're not doing much to protect themselves? Didn't you research the lack of preparedness in your dissertation?
Yep, many manufacturers aren't implementing sufficient cybersecurity measures. It's a bit like keeping the front door wide open while shouting, "Come on in for a tour."
And you know what happens next? Chaos.
Financial losses and operational disruptions are on the table if they don't step it up.
That's reassuring. Not, they really need to get their house in order.
Industry experts are saying it's critical to address vulnerabilities. Outdated systems? Not great.
And don't forget about staff training. It's like sending your kids to a jungle without teaching them about the animals.
You nailed it. Continuous monitoring and comprehensive employee awareness are key to navigating the shifting landscape of manufacturing cybersecurity.
So basically, they need a solid game plan in place to avoid getting eaten alive by those cyber predators.
Right. Awareness and preparedness have never been so essential. It's time for them to armor up.
Before they end up in the headlines, and I'm not talking about worst manufacturing practices as the title.
All right, let's talk about edge computing and the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. You know, these two are like peanut butter and jelly, set to really enhance operational efficiency by 2025.
This is going to be a big deal with world tariffs pushing countries to focus on manufacturing at home. There are some added benefits. Processing data closer to the source means faster responses. It's like getting your coffee before the line at the cafe turns into a mad rush.
Exactly. Companies will really need to get strategic with edge solutions to make the most of these advancements. Think of it as upgrading from dial-up to fiber optic internet.
Wow, that's a jump, but wait, what's it mean for us everyday users?
Well, by 2025, edge computing is expected to significantly enhance web and mobile development. We'll see real-time data processing, which means faster app responses and lower latency. Imagine snapping a photo and it instantly posting to social media.
Instant gratification, but it's even more than that. Developers will be able to build applications that really leverage localized data. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket.
For sure. But let's not forget, edge computing isn't just about efficiency. It's a real game changer for environmental sustainability.
Right, because processing data locally means we cut down energy consumption and emissions from those bulky data centers. It's like taking the bus instead of driving everywhere.
Exactly. It supports innovative resource management as well, especially in sectors like agriculture and manufacturing. Less carbon footprint and more efficiency? It's a win-win.
A double whammy for the environment? Wow, it's exciting to think about these advancements. They really could change the game for everyone.
You said it. Better tech with a conscience. Who knew edge computing could sound so compelling?
Right? Now, who's ready for that coffee?
Okay, let's dive into the latest episode of Embracing Digital. where we unpack some innovative strategies for fostering digital transformation.
Sounds fascinating. I mean, who doesn't want to learn how to navigate the digital landscape without feeling like they're lost in a maze?
Exactly. The experts in this episode really focus on overcoming challenges that organizations face. Like when your software updates on a Friday right before deadlines.
Oh, don't get me started. The only thing scarier than that is 10 kids asking for help with their tech issues all at once.
Ha ha ha. I can relate. But seriously, the insights shared here are so valuable for leaders. They emphasize harnessing technology to enhance productivity and collaboration across teams.
Right? It's like tossing a lifebuoy to a team struggling to stay afloat in the digital sea.
Spot on, Paige. And remember, this episode is particularly essential for leaders looking to successfully navigate this ever-evolving digital landscape.
Totally. I mean, who wouldn't want to be the captain of their ship instead of a crew member lost at sea?
Before we conclude, let's make sure our listeners check it out. Embracing Digital is a treasure trove of actionable insights.
And remember, a smooth transition to digital shouldn't feel like climbing a mountain without a rope.
Definitely. Let's embrace that digital transformation.
That's it for Embracing Digital this week. If you've enjoyed this episode, check out our full-length weekly podcast, Embracing Digital Transformation.
And check out our website, embracingdigital.org. Until next week, go out and embrace the digital revolution.